Right, Oliver, where are we?
We are in County Mayo.
And what's it famous for?
John Wayne, Maureen and Hara make the film The Quiet Man. And right behind us is this statue.
Yeah, Quiet Man. We know Oliver won in it.
Yeah, and it really is the head of John Wayne. If you into it, Maureen, because she was a fine bird, wasn't she? Huh? Jesus Christ. I wonder he bade Dan Hart for her. Dan Hart was her brother.
Was it?
Yeah, he bade him up down the street, so come.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dan Hart wouldn't pay the dowry for his sister. Yeah. John Wayne didn't want to take it.
Yeah.
Dan Hart didn't want to give it. But she wouldn't marry him unless she got the dowry, so he bade him up down the street.
Oh, right. I see. Yeah. Here we are. We're at St. Mary's Church.
We're right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is St. Mary's Church.
No, it's not.
No, oh, sorry, St. Mary's Church. This is Cong Abbey.
I thought so.
This is Cong Abbey, built in the 17th century, destroyed by fire in the 12th century, and rebuilt by Tullogh O'Connell, the High King of Ireland.
Oh, there you go.
So now have a little look around it. Look at the columns. And that's just something else. It's like I do it myself.
Bless you.
Of course, we're now in my favourite.
Here we go.
We're in my favourite place. Graveyard. That one is absolutely something it did.
Stop it, Oliver. That's not nice.
Every one of these flags are all graves. Every one of them. And the same behind you. Before you were able to get up there.
Yeah.
But it's got to be unsafe now, so they closed it after the gate.
Oh, right. I thought it was to keep people like you out.
Oh no, you keep in.
Oh wow, look at this flagstone.
Yeah.
Hang on. Wow. Look at this. 1837, age 30.
Yeah. Patrick Murphy, 1938. His wife, 1958.
Oh, that must be the new church built onto it. I think that's the new St. Mary's.
It is.
And that must be like you.
Piss off. I did, I nearly fell. That's St. Mary's Church over there.
Absolutely why I'm laughing is I wish I'd cut a video. Oliver nearly fell. I know I'm a mean person. And like you said, that's the ruins
of St. Mary's.
And this
out here
is the new one.
Out here we have the gardens.
Oh, right, I didn't see that. I was too busy watching you fall. Oh, wow. Just look at this. It really is something else, isn't it? Yeah,
This here,
yeah.
this was all the church. This was all the building.
All
Here,
right.
see the boundary walls
Yeah.
all the way around here. This was all closed in. This was all the building. But over the years it fell, and there was a lot of people coming here did damage and all that kind of stuff. But that was the walkway all around it
All right.
before, and this like I suppose VH courts for monks and all praying and all that kind of stuff.
All right. Just look at this. Do you want to find out what's down here?
Oh
I'm
yes.
just gonna.
Right. This is the fisherman's hut for the monks. The monk will come down here.
Yeah.
And see inside here?
Yeah.
There's a roof of that. See the hole inside?
Yeah.
You do the fishing there. They catch the fish from underneath.
All right.
And when you catch these last fish in, they'll be taken up to the monastery to feed the other ones above.
All right.
The fire inside over in the corner. But as you can see, it's totally an island.
Oh, look at that.
The only joint is these two giant stones.
How clear this water is. You've got to see this. It is so worth the visit. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It is, yeah, it is.
You know?
Gosh, what scenery is here, it's unbelievable. Even look at the water, look at that.
Yeah, those noises in the background. That's somebody shooting.
No, it's not.
What is it then?
It's crow bangers.
Oh, is it crow bangers?
That's outside in the middle. That's outside in the middle of a wheel of peas. To stop the crows eating it. Oh my God!
I thought there was no. I thought it was something like, you know, clay pigeon.
No.
What did you found then?
Oh my God!
Oh, I don't know these things.
No, I'm show you the peacock.
It's not a peacock.
It is.
I can't think what they're called, but it's not a peacock.
It's a peacock.
I may not know what a crow banger is, but I know this isn't a peacock. I can't believe I thought that was a gun. Well, what is it?
Peacock.
It's not a peacock. It's a...
Right, Mrs. Noel.
Come on then, tell us what it is.
It's a curlew.
Yeah. Oh, thought it was a peacock just now. Well,
No,
tell us what...
it's a peacock without a head, but it's actually a curlew.
Right, go on then, tell me all about it, Mr. Know-it-all.
Hearing the voice, a god who had made the curlew would almost instantly want to remake himself as the thing he had made. So he was turning himself into a curlew.
Oh, right.
Right. Anyway, now, seeing that you know everything.
I know nothing.
That tree there, what is it?
Isn't that a conker tree?
A conker tree.
Yeah, a chestnut tree.
A conker tree, really?
Yeah,
it's
but that's where...
chestnut.
Yeah, but that's
My
where you get
God.
the conkers from, Mr. Know-it-all.
But it's
Chestnut tree.
It's not a conker tree.
Yeah, but I said it was a chestnut tree.
Oh my God, that's time to show something. You just, you're an embarrassment. Absolutely embarrassing.
Goodness. Huh? Bless him. Right, come on.
Tell the truth. When you were above there and you saw that thing down there, you said, look at the pigeon.
You said a peacock.
You said pigeon.
You said peacock. Okay. Wow.
Bog oak,
Yeah.
700 years old.
Really?
Yeah. 700, I'll pull out of the bog like that. 700 years old.
Was it a friend of yours that done it?
No, I do it out. 700 years, but I came back to paint it.
Okay, when you come out from the back of the Abbey, okay, you have the gift shop, museum, the Quiet Man. They do tours, and some of the stuff inside is beautiful, but it is so small to go in with a camera. Oh, look, you're gonna put some in? Is that?
No, it's all about then. No change.
Here, grab that a second. Sorry if everything goes wrong with the
No, it's not.
camera.
The real person that's holding it now.
Oliver.
And while she's there doing that,
Oliver.
look at that waterfall. That's something else. And now we'll go back to ourselves. Here she is. Put the penny in the wishing well.
More than a penny. Just put
And
in, and just put in the coinage.
Yeah. Oh, do you make a wish for me?
Yeah, I did.
I wish I could get a pint. Oh, I wish it's coming true.
See, I told you he was a big fella. He's actually, one side of him's Galway, the other side of him's Mayo, and the middle bit is the bridge. Smile, Oliver.
I wouldn't dare smile. Pure hydrogen. Mother's milk.
I tell you, it is so hot here. I don't know if you can see. I'm actually sweating, and don't worry, mine is, if you can see it, this is, oh well,
0
mine's
0.
in there. It's a 0 0. One of us has got to be sensible, because as you know, you can't be. I've got a lovely view from here, from this balcony. What's the pub called?
Ryan, the crow's nest.
The Crow's Nest.
The food here is out of this world.
Yeah, there's really, really good food, don't
And the prices are absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, so
A beef dinner, €17.
yeah, you can't, I tell you, that's a good price. That really is a good price. Anyway, listen, we're going to enjoy this, and we will pick you up in a while. Well, Oliver, did you enjoy the trip around Cong?
Absolutely, yeah. We're looking at the weather now. Absolutely lovely place. And great tourism, great place. And as I said, we're in Ryan's here at the Crow's Nest, and the food here is fantastic, and a drink.
Yeah.
So I think we'd be packing up now for the day somehow.
Yeah, so we will catch you later in our next video. Hope you enjoyed our little trip. It's only a tiny little town, but it's well worth the visit.
That is, yeah.
Well worth it.
Absolutely.
So,
See you in the next one.
catch you later.